Oh, yeah, yeah. Hi, hi, guys. Yeah, I started registering like earlier today because I have lots of stuff to do, like IRL, and yeah, and lots of work to do. So this is the time I have today. Also, I need to publish my schedule. Hi, Nuki. Hi. How you doing? Hi, Nuki. Yeah. How's your day? Yeah, yeah, that's the reason. So I am just streaming like a little earlier today, but my original time, my original intended time is not that too far away from this one. So yeah, I'm gonna make my schedule today, and I'm gonna do my dailies in Genshin as well. You know. So yeah, I'm gonna do like a fake schedule like from last week and a fresh schedule for this week. Yeah, that's the deal. Also, I'm gonna show you guys my tool. Don't take that wrong. And also I should do like some little pauses, because I'm still doing my laundry. I started earlier today, but I have to stop that to finish our work, something like that. And some work like that. And now I'm going back to that, and yeah, I am doing my second part of my laundry. So yeah, Nixon, hi, how are you doing? Uh, did so much today, so much uni today. Oh, uni. Yeah. I feel you. I can see where are you coming from. Yeah. Hope you can have like a good rest, because yeah, it's tiring. Sometimes it's not even fair. Yeah. Yeah, I understand you pretty much. So yeah, guys, today I'm gonna show you my tool. Don't take that wrong because when I tell show my tool, like that might sound strange, but yeah. And also like hi Chi, hi yeah, hi. Yeah, I'm gonna put like myself, yeah, me. Yeah, the music is really loud. I don't know for you guys, but for me, it's pretty loud. Yeah, but that's fine. That's fine. So today we gonna do like a mixed stream. We're gonna have some fun, like with Genshin. We're gonna play Genshin a little bit to do my dailies, and also again, just explain to Yaya because I saw she just finished it, her stream. So yeah, I think she started it, and yeah, I know, and that it can be the case. It can be the case, but in any case, yeah, I just like I took a little nap and I realized that I haven't done my schedule. And I was like, earlier today, no, yeah, I'm gonna do my schedules. But yeah, I had to stop that and work. And you know what? I'm gonna just like do from the scratch. And now for the best, because now I have a new illustration to use on my schedule. Make it made by yeah. Yeah. Again, if you guys don't follow Yaya, she, you know, please do, please do. She's awesome. Also, yeah, also I got like my drawing, and yeah, I'm gonna show you guys. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys. Let me just like put that on screen now. Yeah, let me make myself smaller. Oops. I think this size is okay. Maybe I don't know. We gonna do that either way. So yeah. Yeah, let's do this. Yeah, let's do this. Where is the app? So this is schedule. So this is the old schedule, the old schedule. So I need to make a new one, and will not be that different from this one, because Monday will be the same. Tuesday is today, so I'm gonna put here just chatting. Uh, Wednesday, Wednesday can be Genshin as well. Yeah, Wednesday can be Genshin. I can do some quests in Genshin. Yeah, that's fine. So I'm not gonna like stream Thursday. So this will be like blank here, just flying away. And then I'm gonna play Cotton Rock and Roll Friday. Saturday again, Need for Speed Most Wanted. And Sunday, the grab bag day, the free day. So I'm gonna do some dev stuff and show you guys uh what I'm working on, and maybe you guys find that interesting. So yeah, let me bring the app here. What is the app? Browser. I think I can do just like window capture, right? Yeah. Domo 98. And yeah, let me just capture that. Yeah, I guess you guys can see that now. Um, this one. Yeah, okay, you guys can see that now. It's pretty small, but fine. Yeah, I think this way is fine, right? So yeah, let me just download the drawing that Yaya made. So yeah, I made like lots of changes in the app itself. And now I do even have like themes here. So yeah, I don't know which is your favorite. Yeah, I even have stuff like that. Because again, I'm using Godot, right? So it's not hard like to do stuff. And this UI was even made like by using code because it's kind of like the Kinter. I don't know if you guys, and if you guys like use it Python or something like that. So I realized that it's just like easy to do that, and you can change like the way you like and stuff like that. So yeah, let me bring and yeah, I'm gonna open Genshin really soon, but I need to like at least like show you guys the drawing that she made, which is awesome. Yeah, let me just get that. Yeah, it's really nice. It's really beautiful. I love it really much. I got even emotional. Also, yeah. Also, Discord like stores everything in WebP. I don't like that. Like, yeah. But that's what it is, right? So yeah, I'm gonna use on my schedule. Just like that. Yeah. Yeah. Can I get it to show you guys? I think yes. Yes. So yeah, I'm gonna just show you. So yeah, here. Now you can see that it's really big now because. And yeah. So yeah, this is the complete picture. So yeah, I'm gonna put on my schedule. Like it's the first drawing that was not made by me or by Charles. And yeah, that I felt like really emotional, because I really love it. It's so pretty. Look at the eyes. Look at the shading in the eyes. It looks nice. Look at this. You know what? That a model like with this style would look nice. You have a nice art style, so yeah, it's beautiful. Yeah, I look at me. I am even smiling, and yeah, it looks like pretty accurate. It's really good. Also, like I got like my scarf like this, you know. Yeah, it looks familiar, right? Hi Mitsu. Nice to see you. Yeah, I'm starting the stream early because I realized that I need to wash my gloves, my you know my stuff, and I was like almost sleeping. You know, I took a little nap, and I thought that, well, if I don't start streaming now, you know, that was I realized that. So if I do not start streaming like right now, I'm gonna just slack off and not doing like anything, you know. So yeah, I think this is for the best. Kind of a surprising stream, I know. Stream, I know it's a bit early, but yeah. All good. Did you get your tip? Yeah, you did. Yeah, you did. Looks nice. Yeah, you did. You did. I also didn't forget my emerald. You know. Yeah, that was I was thinking like, how do I make my emerald like bigger? You know, you can see like in my model. Let me show you. You can see better in my model. So it's small, right? So I was thinking like, how do I do that bigger without looking like strange, you know, like insane or something like that, you know? And I don't know. She reached like a really good balance here. It looks like, you know. But yeah, I still have to find that because to find that because you know to think about that. Yeah, I still have to think about that, you know. But yeah, there is that as well. So today is a nice day. I could not ask for a better day like this, you know. Like the best people around, and like I got the drawing and lots of work, which is okay, you know, it's not bad. Yeah, it is a nice day. But yeah. So actually, I realized something. I realized I could use like this tool, like instead of using like this window and everything, I could use something like this. Let me show you. Um, transform. So I was thinking something. I don't know if that makes sense for you, but let me show you something. Not this. Yeah, let me crop this. So I'm gonna crop this left and right. See if that makes sense for you. What if, what if I made something like this, right? Oops, too much, too much. So I was thinking about that. Like, if I do something like this, like as a slideshow, you know, because I could left that open like all the time, you know, on my screen, even if there is no image, you know, and then I can drag and drop. Oops. Then I could like just drag and drop, you know, pictures and use that like I'm at my image gallery, you know, because I realize like some people, like some VTubers, like most of VTubers, like we have to go like, you know, you have to go like that, like open like open OBS and add a new picture, you know, or change the new picture she's there like to the new address and stuff like that. Here in this case, you just need uh, to drop the images here, you know. You just need to drag and drop, you know, the images here. It's just that simple, you know. I can even just like drag and drop from the browser. It's just like good like that, you know. Like this, I'm dragging and drop from the browser, you know. And I could make a good like image visualizer that's easy to use, you know. Like it's I could even like yeah, and also like for instance, like this is from the browser as well. I'm not even saving this image, you know. I don't know for you, but that sounded like a good idea for me. You know? Yeah. You know? And I can do that with lots of things, you know? Yeah, I'm using Safe Buru because, I don't want like to show anything like, you know, 18 plus or anything like that. But yeah. Also I found like this artwork, which is I think the art style is really pretty. I like it that, it's really pretty. Yeah. It's a little bit kind of yabai, but I don't know, it's pretty. Yeah, look at this. I think Yaya will like this one. Yeah. So I'm not showing like exactly my tool here. So you can see like I have adjustments and stuff like that on my tool, you know? And yeah. So the idea like about this tool is that the good thing is that like you can just like adjust like everything, So for instance, like it's really soft, right? This image here is really soft. So for PC98, if you want to convert like your images like to PC98, it's not good to left it like uh soft just like that, because it will not look like a PC98 for some reason, You know that, you feel that. It's the same for the saturation. Like the colors are actually like more saturated, you know. So you bring up a little bit of saturation. The bloom is not like a good effect here, the way I'm doing, So I'll go a little bit of sharpness, so you can just see that. An outline, just a tad of outline, so I can make it look like a proper like PC98 thing, Little adjustments like this. And then I'm not gonna mess with this, This is just like things you want to add, It's just not like just effects, Yeah. So something like this. I could make like sharpness, make this a little more sharp. So yeah, it's a bit different than the original, but it might work, So there's the bloom, which people love to hate, Yeah, I can apply just a little bit of bloom just to make it, you know, a little bit because it can be white, but I'm not gonna do that. And I can even adjust my gamma like this, and then do my brightness like this. Yeah, so it can look more like C98 thing, like this. Yeah, like with stronger colors, So yeah, when I hit like conversion, let me just bring my app back. So edit transform. How do reset this? I think it should just reset. Okay. Okay, it's fine. So yeah, with all like the transformations done, so the image is now like the way I like it to be. So I'm gonna just hit commands, and it will start like actually like making the palette based on the image. So there is this passes thing here. So again, I'm gonna explain this better like on Sunday because Sunday I'm gonna do actual work with this. Today I'm just demonstrating it, and yeah, I'm gonna share with Chi, and maybe if anyone else wants to test. So I'm gonna try to share that. So yeah, I'm gonna explain this more like uh, Sunday. Yeah, I'm gonna explain this more Sunday. Yeah, there's lots of things to do. Yeah, I am gonna make this public. Also, guys, if you like don't follow Chi, um, please follow her. So let me get Chi. Yeah. Yeah, she made the really nice me. So yeah, I'm gonna just put that there. Yeah, yeah. Please follow her. She's amazing. So yeah, I made the alterations to make like it look the way I wanted to look, like to look more in line PC98 with thicker line in strong colors. It kind of looks better, you know. It does not solve the issue like completely. You need to make some manual adjustments, you know. But I think it's mostly for the better. Yeah, it looks a bit different. Yeah. Again, I think this is a good adaptation, but it does not like eliminate completely like the artist's like work. But it's good if you want to learn like about PC98 palette. It's good, you know. Like for instance, if I click here, let me click here. If I click here, like this is red, right? So I can change like this color here, and when I change the color, let me change this to this color. It's ugly, but like bear with me. So yeah, I changed this, right? And yeah, you can see here. Here is the PC98 format. So yeah, again, this number shall be like repeated. So yeah, it's not like completely like that. But once like I just close this and go back there, yeah, the color will be like PC98 perfect. And then when you export the palette, it will be just perfect. So yeah, don't worry about that. It just like works. I was thinking if I should or not like add swatches here because I can. But I don't want to make like anything permanent in the app itself. Yeah. Also, I have themes. I have showed you guys. So yeah, if you guys wanted, my favorite one is Choco. Yeah, my favorite one is this one. Again, I'm gonna show you guys like later, not now. So if I do this original, so it goes back to the original palette. So this is a demonstration, just so you guys can see that I am not cheating. This is really a PC98, thing. And if you change in one place, it changes like everywhere. I am not cheating, just for you know. Yeah, right? Ooh, that's great. Yeah, Godot is awesome. I really love Godot. Without Godot, yeah, would be a lot more time to do the same thing. Like I use it like lots of stuff that are like default in Godot, but I mixed that with what I wanted to use. Yeah, the shaders were like not easy to make because like shaders is something strange, and then I don't know exactly like completely how to shade everything. But yeah, so yeah, let me just like put the colors again, the original colors. And yeah, if I save here, so if I save now, it saves. So I'm gonna show you. So it saves with this palette here. Yeah, Godot is amazing. If you need anything Godot, so I've been like I have for this moment now I have a good experience with Godot to the point I am building apps in Godot just because I feel comfortable with Godot. Just because of that. Yeah. So yeah, Nook, if you need something, if you need anything, just let me know. Yeah, any of you guys. I that's what I wanted to do in this channel. I want to share like knowledge. I want to share like tools. I want this channel to be a cozy place where we hang out and talk about stuff we like. Yeah, that's the deal. So yeah, again, I can load a custom. custom palette. Yeah, that okay. But this is a good start, you know. C++ for university. Oh, C++. C++ is nice. It's nice. It's awesome. Yeah, I have an issue about C++, but this is like not for the beginning. For the beginning, C++ is amazing. You know, I'm gonna be honest. Like my favorite language, like today, is C. C is my favorite language today. You know, but I really like older languages like Pascal, even Basic. You know, I like them. I feel that they are like really special. But C++ is amazing as well. Yeah. Also, I like Lua a lot. I don't know if you know Lua. Yes, C is awesome. I love C. C is my favorite language. Like today, it's my favorite language. Yes, C is awesome. And also, I love Lua. You know, I don't know if you guys like Lua or not, but Lua is amazing. Yeah, I wish more people used Lua. You know, it's just like that good. Also, you artists guys, like I explain me something. What is this? Yeah, shout out to JavaScript. Yeah, our favorite language. You know, I should make like something to homage JavaScript. You know, and yeah, C is awesome. C++ is also nice. It's also good. I like C more, but C++ is amazing as well. You know, low level language are amazing. I like them. So yeah, yeah, Chi. Since you are an artist, also, what is about this lots of arms and hands? You know, like what is happening here? It took a while for me to understand this picture, you know. Yeah, I mean pointers are really important, you know. But yeah, I mean, the concept of the pointers itself, it's easy, you know. It's not a big deal. Yeah, it's really cute. Yeah, yeah, it is. I'm gonna use this. Yeah, I'm gonna use this because if I left it normal, you would be like without any colors, you know. So there's the didder. I'm gonna do like uh legacy. Legacy, you guys gonna see like it's very different, and also it takes a lot more, you know. Yeah, it's cute, but I don't know. It's kind of strange, you know. Too many arms, you know. But this is a thing with this artist because look at this. Yeah, there's a lot of arms and hands in this one as well, right? Yeah. Also this one. I think this is this artist's thing, you know. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I think it's good. I don't think it's bad or anything. I like it. I love it. It's a good composition, you know. And I think it's a good picture, you know. If you get someone to take a picture like that, it would look nice, you know. It looks nice. But I don't know. At the same time, it's kind of, you know, I don't know. So yeah, again, I can still load pictures here while like let me get more Shibuya ones. Yeah, let me get some more Shibuya ones. Look at this. Yeah, but I like it. I think this thing is with the like this art, you know. Yeah, yeah. I also like this one. I think this one is cute. I like this art style like a lot, you know. But there is not the artist. I don't know who is the artist in this one. Yeah, unfortunately, I don't know. I have no idea. Yeah, because like safe borrow, not every time it shows you. But yeah. Also look at this. Yeah, this is normal day, you know. Normal day art at like school, you know, school day. It's just a normal day. Yeah. Yeah, I wish I knew like the arts, but I don't know. Like this one has the arts, you know. At least this one has the artist. And yeah, again, I think this is a thing with these arts, you know. I love it, but yeah. Yeah, it's still going. It's still going. Yeah, this algorithm, like the legacy algorithm is pretty slow, you know. And it's not better. This is how like old PC 98 tools do that stuff, you know? Yeah. Let me just put in default and go back here. Yeah, again, this is the same artist. See, like hands. Yeah, this artist like really loves hands, you know, and I like it. I think it's cute. I think it's cute. I like it. Yeah, this is from the same artist. This one, if I think is really pretty. Look at this one. It's not that like really pretty, pretty colors and everything. So yeah, I'm gonna make some adjustments here on this one. Let me try that. Oh, okay. Ah, okay, it kept my setting. I forgot about that. That's a signature, all right? So yeah, this is the artist. It's Picassora. No, I don't think Sora. It's from the AI thing. It's just like the artsy name. Yeah, because I found that in lots of places. Yeah, let me try to like find this in another like place. And this is bad because having a name like that is kind of hard to search, you know, because I can go to maybe Pixiv or even like other sites and find that, you know. Thank you, Google. You are very happy. Thank you. But again, I'm using Safeable. So and there is no AI tags there, so I don't think it's AI, you know. But yeah, it looks good, cute, you know. I am trying to find like the Pixiv page. I think it's Pixiv. Let me test that. I'm not sure. Let's just like test that. Yeah, I can see the original image. Yeah, I don't know. I have no idea how is that. Yeah. Also, people like to draw like dark magician, like female version, you know, like this. And this is cute. Oh yeah, I can't load this. Okay, it loads. Look at this. Yeah, this one is cute as well. Yeah, I got the result. Look at this, like almost 4 minutes. Yeah, this is just like wild. And you see, like it's just different, you know. This looks like different. It's not the same as I make before, like using the modern dithering, you know. It looks like old dithering, like using the like actual PC 98, you know. This algorithm here. It's a lot slower like nowadays because it uses like lots of passes and stuff like that to achieve this because it gets like more different colors. Uh, these images me miss it 90s anime manga. Yeah, yeah. Also, imagine even Yu-Gi-Oh, you know. I think this one is like ready to go like to PC 98. Let's just like use this the default one. Yeah. Again, Sunday, I'm gonna demonstrate this app a little more and explain like how I do use that in my workflow. So again, please Sunday, if you guys have some curiosity about this kind of stuff and my workflow flow for like uh, my PC 98 game I am making. So I am converting like my old yeah, I'm converting like my old PC 98 PC game I made in RPG Maker for a game gen. I'm gonna convert that visual novel to PC 98. So yeah, I'm starting that Sunday. So if you guys wanna hang out and learn about the process, so I'm gonna do that Sunday. So yeah, yeah, I think it still looks good. Yeah, it still looks good, and it's only like 57%. Analyze it. So this part is just analyzing the palette and picking the colors. So it depends on these passes here. So so as many passes as you put here, the better it will get the content because uh, it will get our of the screen. That's the idea. So yeah, that's what I use here. So everything I try to make everything like clean and safer. Yeah, see, it's not the same. It lost some colors and it has dithering. But I don't think that looks bad. I think it's a decent conversion. And yeah, to be honest, I do think this one is still like ready to use. This is ready to use. Yeah, this is production result. So let me open my schedule. So we're gonna work on that now. We're gonna work on my schedule. So let me bring here uh, Adobe Animate, which is the name for Flash. The new name for Flash, the newer name for Adobe Flash. So let me bring that. Yeah, it's time to make my schedule. So I'm gonna resize this window here and put that on my screen. So this week will be like really special because I'm gonna use Yaya's picture. Yeah, that's gonna be amazing. So let me bring. Yeah, that looks good still, right? Yeah, I think that still looks good. Yeah. So yeah, guys, let me remove this schedule here, the old schedule, and let me remove the app to 98, and I'm gonna bring uh, animate. So yeah, I made this schedule. I started making this schedule here in animate. I think you guys can see that, right? Let me just like. Oh, you guys can see that. Okay, okay, you guys can see that. Yeah, this is perfect. So yeah, you guys can see that this is animate, which is the new name, the newer name for Adobe Flash. So today we're gonna make my schedule here. Yeah, and I think it's really usable. Even today it's really usable. It's not bad to use. It's not uncomfortable to use. The reason I made here in animate was that I intended. Yeah, this is the old schedule. You can see here. Yeah, it's not today. It's not today. So it's from. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I got you. Yeah, 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 yeah. It's not today. It's from like yesterday, right? To no, no, no. That's fine. To like 29, I think, right? It's 29. right? 7 days is 29. No, it's not 7 days. It's more like six, but okay. So yeah, so we are now using the correct date. So, but before that, let me just like hide the window because there might be some personal information. So I'm gonna save the new file with the new date, you know. Yeah, let me just like do that. So yeah, it's from 23 to 29, right? Okay, let me just like do this back. So yeah, flying away offline yesterday. Today is not flying away. Today is uh, I can put like uh, just chatting right here. And tomorrow I'm not gonna stream tomorrow. I mean I'm gonna stream tomorrow. Yeah, 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 yeah. So yeah, tomorrow gonna be yeah, tomorrow is gonna be. Wait, I'm gonna write down there. I'm done. Why I'm doing this? Yeah, why I'm doing this? So today is just chatting with a little of Genshin. We're gonna play Genshin a little bit today. Yeah, we're gonna play Genshin a little bit today. Just chatting with Genshin. So tomorrow Genshin impacted like normally. So this is gonna be offline. So I'm gonna not stream Thursday, and Friday it's retro day. We're gonna stream Cotton Rock and Roll and Need for Speed Most Wanted and Dev Mas plus Grab Bag. Yeah, I was thinking to play like Sonic Sonic Racing Cross Worlds. You know, if any of you guys are interested into play the game, this game is at discount on Steam. So if any of you guys are interested to play that game, so yeah, that would be nice. You know, would be nice to play with you guys. Yeah. If any of you have like a little interest in that game, that would be like awesome, you know? That would be amazing. Wait, why is not that showing? Wait, what is happening here? Why is not showing like my I realized that on OBS is not showing my artwork. What? Yeah, I'm gonna close and open again. Not the app, like just like the file, you know? I'm gonna try to capture that again, close that, and I'm gonna open again. And time to capture that. Okay, you guys can see that now. Okay, that's fine. I'm gonna left like cotton here because I'm gonna play the game, you know. But now I'm gonna play the game. Of course, I'm gonna left this here, but now I'm gonna use like I'm gonna put Yaya's illustration of me here. So I need to convert that I think before. Yeah, because it saves in WebP. By the way, Yaya, if you can send the image for me like in another format, I would be like really grateful. Yeah. Yeah, my apps don't like WebP at all, you know. So if you could, I would like I am grateful, you know. So yeah, let me put like Yaya's picture here. Okay, that's me. So this background's kind of confusing, so I can just hide myself here. Let me do this. It's kind of empty. Hmm. Uh, hmm. What should I do? Because I could use something else. You know what? You know what? I'm gonna do something extreme here. Bear with me. Bear with me. Yeah, bear with me. Yeah, bear with me. I'm gonna just do this. Oh my god. Okay, it will not work. Okay, that's fine. Oh, I'm sorry. The screen looks normal here, like no drop with frames. Maybe there? There's a bear with you. Bear? Where's the bear? Bear? Where's the bear? Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna do something crazy like this. Oh, okay. Sorry. I didn't get it. Yeah, you know what? Yeah, I'm gonna do this. Yeah. If you could send me, I would like be really, really, really grateful. If you could send me the image like in older format, because on the Discord like it saves in WebP, you know, and yeah, like Flash animate in this case don't like WebP at all, you know. So yeah, if you could send like in older format, I would like be really glad. Let me see how that will like exported. Let me check this. So yeah, guys, I don't think if I should like change instead of not like streaming, you know, Thursday I could play Sonic like Lost Worlds, you know. But I don't know. I'm gonna test that. I'm gonna test that on Sunday. Yeah, PNG would be like perfect. PNG would be perfect. Yeah, yeah, yeah. For sure, PNG would be perfect. Yeah, WebM is the worst. I agree with that. I really agree with that. Yeah, it's just dumb, you know. Yeah, it's not good. I don't know who invented that. I think the guys who invented WebM and WebP are the same guys who invented JavaScript. No, I am kidding. I am kidding. Yeah, Google invented it. Yeah, 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 yeah. But I am kidding. So yeah, sometimes I think it's the same people, you know, who invented JavaScript because I don't know, it's just dumb. Yeah, yeah, Google did it. Yeah. Oh, it looks like I'm petting the lady, the little girl, you know. She is not named Cotton. Yeah, I'm gonna do like something crazy today. Yeah, let me export that. So I'm gonna hide this and let me check how it looks exported. Let me check that. It might, or might not look good. So let's try it. Google invented like everything modern, you know. They are the reason we are still using JavaScript, you know. They and Steve Jobs. They are the reason. Yeah. You know what? It looks good. I'm gonna show you guys shortly. Yeah, it looks good. Also, I should make like just for the sake of competition, like the schedule from the last week. You know, I'm gonna do that just for the sake of competition. You know? Oh, that's perfect. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, amazing, amazing. I thank you like very, very, very much. Thank you. And also it keeps the quality, you know. You made quality, so yeah, the world like deserves quality, you know. Yeah, yeah. Now I'm gonna show you the new schedule. So let me show you. You know what? I don't know for you guys, but this works for me. I don't know what you guys think, but I don't know. Do you guys think it works? Like fried like that, you know? You can read everything. You can read the date here. You know, you can read the week here. We can see like the chi here. Of course, uh, of course, I'm gonna credit it. I'm gonna do that. But I don't know about the background. This background is kind of wild, you know? Yeah, this background is wild. And it's perfect because she looks like she's looking at me, you know? It's not that kind of wild. You know what? I'm gonna leave it this like this. I'm gonna just like change the color here because I don't know. I don't know. It's not like that readable. Oops, oh, I'm sorry. It's this one. So I'm gonna try to find some readable color, like something like this. I don't know. Yeah, it kinda. Yeah, she looking at me kinda looks like proposal, you know. Yeah, I need to get a better color for this one. You know what? It's readable. It's not perfect, but it's readable, right? I don't know. I might. I can't even choose and change this to bold. Yeah, can't even change this to bold. Yeah, but I think this is more readable. Let me try to change this again. So if I change this, oh, like this. Yeah, I think it is more like readable. Yeah, yeah, I think it's more readable this way. Okay, this looks better now. Yeah, 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 yeah. And I'm using green, using my color. Like this color is different, so I'm gonna use the same color. The error message. Yeah, it's beautiful. Your yeah, I should have removed that your, you know, but you know, I felt like putting that. But yeah, task failed successfully. Yeah, successfully. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So let me just like change this to this the same color, you know. Yeah, now this is beautiful. This is perfect. So let me copy this color here and let me use this color here. Yeah, this task failed successfully. Yeah, I can't speak. Kind of fits my style. Kinda. Yeah, yeah. You know what? Yeah, you are right. You are right. Yeah, it fits. Yeah, 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 yeah. I accept that. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It fits. Yeah. So now I should credit Yaya. So where should I credit Yaya here? Oh my god. Let me duplicate this. So I'm gonna credit Yaya. Should I use which color should I use here? Yaya. Uh, a color that fits you. I think like should make this bigger. The font bigger. Let me make this like this, right? And I don't know what to write here. Yeah, purple. Okay, purple. Like this one, like this. Dark, dark one. Yeah, this look. Yeah, like this one, right? Yeah, but I'm gonna use this. What is the complement of this one? It's not this color, but I think I'm gonna use this one to make it more readable. You know. I'm gonna try this. What do you think about this? It's not readable, right? It needs to be more like this. No, it's still not readable. Let's find something. Something around like this. Yeah, I think this is the way to go. Yeah, I think this is the way to go. Yeah, I don't know if that looks like readable enough. Under my feet. Okay, I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna make this darker before. Oops. Yeah, it's better. Okay. So what should I write here? This is my first time doing this, you know. Uh, what should I write down here? I don't know. What do you guys think? Ah, I was thinking of artists like this. I think it elevates, you know. She is an artist, you know. Yeah, yeah. I got you. I got you. Yeah, I think arts like it's short and it conveys the message, you know. Yeah, I think it's good this way. What if I do this like this, you know? Pure white here and the borders like this, you know? Let me make the borders like stronger. Yeah, this is very readable. Yeah, now we are talking. Now we are talking. Yeah, let me do this just a little bit like this. No, not this. You know what? I think white looks better. I can try to do like a little something like this. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I think this is ready. So nothing yesterday, today just chatting and a little bit of Genshin to do my dailies, you know. And if you guys wanted to join me, we can play like a little bit of Genshin, you know. Tomorrow it's gonna be full Genshin. I'm gonna try to not only do my dailies, but I'm gonna try to do some quests, you know. Like always when I am playing for a banner, like I am always missing some quests, you know. So I think I'm gonna do like the main quests of the game, you know, like starting like doing like that, and that would be nice too if I could make the quests like yeah. Also, Mitsu, you said that there's quests, right? That we can do like uh in the multiplayer, right? Not on the dailies, like more quests like that, right? I don't know which quests are like the ones we could do that. The bounties. Oh, the bounties. Yeah. Uh, you know what? Let me put her like at the same line. Yeah. Kinda like at the same line. Oh, the reputation. Okay, this is a good idea. So tomorrow, yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna play like more on that. Yeah, 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 yeah. That's the idea. Yeah. Also, I was thinking here, so I think I should like I want to keep like her here, like Cotton here, because because I'm gonna play the game, but I don't know. She made the illustration, but I have a better idea now. So I'm gonna do like math competition and a specific quest can help you with reputation too. Okay, we're gonna do that. That's a good idea. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, we can do this. Yeah, that's a good idea. Yeah. Also, let like some lurkies. Yeah, just little lurkies. And I need to change like my my clothes as well. So because I'm like still like you know doing stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna do this region specific quest. Oh, okay. So yeah, let me update my schedule. Like right now, I'm gonna leave this schedule on screen. So I'm gonna update this schedule. This schedule is like is this like the craziest one yet? This is the craziest one. Okay, let me update that. I don't know if it's readable. I think it's readable. And we can see like Yaya's drawing like perfectly, here. I think it works. It works. Yeah, it's different, but I think it works. Yeah, yeah. As long as are like readable and you can see like Yaya's like drawing, I think it's perfect, right? I think like you can see her drawing like perfectly. It even looks like he's petting like the cotton lady. You know what? Yeah. So yeah, I like crazy stuff, so I like it. But I don't know if it is for everyone. But yeah, there is that as well. So yeah, I'm gonna leave the schedule here a little bit, and I'm gonna like take a little bit of time, just a little bit. Wait me just like 2 minutes. Yeah, yeah, she's looking at me. Yeah, it's just like perfect. It was made for that. Yeah. So yeah, be right back. Just 2 minutes. I'm gonna do some stuff in the washing machine because my washing machine is not fully automatic. There's some manual things we should do. Yeah, I am using that the semi-automatic one because I use it to have like the automatic like machines fully automatic, and they all gave me problems. And I found this one it's semi-automatic into like washes really, really, really well. It looks really good. Oh, it feels really good. Yeah. So yeah, it's same automatic. Yeah, just wait a little bit. I'm gonna be back in 2 minutes. 1 minute or 2 minutes. Yeah. Be right back. Be right back. Yeah, my character will sleep now. Yeah, it looks like the wall face. Yeah, kinda like that. Yeah, almost. It's almost like yeah, yeah, yeah. It's the same text. Yeah. I am back. I am back. I am back. So yeah, let's open Genshin. It's time to play a little bit of Genshin. Yeah, I'm gonna put the timer. So in 8 minutes or so. So in 8 minutes or so, I have to go back to the machine so I can continue like the to watch that. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. I hope it was like quick. So this is a schedule. I don't know if I should change it or not the background. So, but I'm gonna do something like now. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do like the schedule for the last week because last week I could stream like only twice, and it was Friday. Friday we streamed like Genshin. So this was offline because internet issues, and this was Need for Speed Most Wanted. Yeah, it was a really, really different week. But I'm gonna actually stream at least 2 times. Wait, what if I do this 6 7? You know what? 6 7 works. Yeah. 6 7 works. So this was last week's stream. Wait, where's the date? Oh my god, I think I didn't save with the date. Let me check that. Yeah, there's no date. Yeah, I'm gonna put the date back. The date is where's the date? Wait, where's the date? What happened to the date? What? Says or say yeah, say yeah. Also, yeah, what happened to the date? No, I even have a move clip here for I don't know the reason, but okay, I have a move clip here. Yeah, I remember I have copied this. Yeah, it's not even here. Let me check. Yeah, where is it? Yeah, Spanish like helps a lot. Yeah, it was supposed to be here. Yeah, I don't really know. Hi Andy. Hi hi. Hi Andy. How you doing? Hope you're having like a nice day. Yeah, I can see. Yeah, I can see the schedule. Oh, nice. Yeah, today we are gonna play Genshin shortly. So I'm just like finishing my schedule, but I realized I got something wrong, you know. So I'm gonna try Control Z just to see if something is wrong here. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, my date just disappeared, you know. Yeah, that's not good. Yeah, don't know why that happened. And now I can't see Yaya's illustration, you know. And everything should be visible. Let me check this. Yeah, I don't know. Also, what is this line here? There is nothing in that line. Yeah, I need to fix this. Yeah, yeah, I don't know why that happened. And I can't like control Z more. So I'm gonna just like hide this here first. And I'm gonna close that and open again. I think it bugged. I don't know. I'm gonna open again with the wacky schedule. Yeah, there is no. Let me put that again. Yeah, yeah, there's no date here. Yeah, I remember I copied from here, but wait, if I copy this from here, if I change it in one place, it change another place, right? Oh, it keeps that, right? Yeah, it keeps that. I don't know what happened. So yeah, let's fix that. So let me fix that. Let me check this. I don't remember how I do organize like my date. We're gonna check that right now. Let me see how I put that there. So yeah, it's nice to have you here, Andy. So what you are doing today? Hope you are having like a nice day, you know, a relaxing day, maybe even, you know. Yeah. So today is a very busy day to me. So I realized that if I would not like start the stream earlier, you know, I would not have started the stream, you know. That's the reason. Just I just did that, you know. I was thinking with myself, you know what? I'm gonna start the stream like right now, you know. Yeah, that's the way, you know. So yeah, it's March 23. Let me fix that. So it's March. Is it like that? It's March 23 to 29. I don't know why. Every time I put the dash, it goes doubled. You know? Yeah, I don't know why. It does stuff like that. So yeah, turn around this time, which is a little later usually, but I still think it's better to keep this time, you know, because it's evening time, you know, it's night time. So yeah, EST. This is perfect. It's working perfectly. So I'm gonna just change this to green like this here. If I'm not mistaken, I can copy like this style. Okay, I can't copy. I can use like more styles here. Like I can use in in more than one place if I use code, like the action script, or even if I use like something else, you know. Oh yeah, I need to check my washing machine. So let's change this. This gonna be this dark green. This gonna be this light green here. Not this one, more like this one. Not this one, more like this one. Oh, perfect. Yeah. Okay, we have the schedule corrected. Oh my God, Trish Chick. Hi, hi, you're coming. Yeah, you did the. Oh, that's amazing. Yeah, thank you for like coming here. And yeah, I really, really, really appreciate that. I appreciate that, and hope you like this stream. Also, again, uh, tomorrow, if you guys plays Genshin and want to join, that would be nice as well. So yeah, anyway, so I'm gonna post like my schedule. You know what? I'm gonna do this more distorted, like even more distorted, because it's gonna look like pixels, like tiny pixels, oh, huge pixels, and it makes the thing like more readable, like this. Yeah, yeah. I think it's more readable like that. Yeah, it gets like really distorted, but you don't know that it's me in the background, right? If I do that this way. Yeah, it just look crazy and carnival looking. So yeah, thanks for the 363. Oh, I realized that it's not a good idea. Okay. Yeah, because of this thing here, this part here. Yeah, you can see the head, yeah. Yeah, but I realized it's not better because of this part here. What if I do? It's me. I am working on it. I wonder if you would know that's me, even if I left it like this. Would you know that's me? Would you? I don't know. I am not sure. You know, 100%. Yeah, I think this is nice. I'm gonna get Yayas here like this. Okay, I think the composition looks better now. Yeah, I think the composition looks better now. Yeah, let me just double check here. So just chatting, Genshin tomorrow, offline, and then Cotton Need for Speed and Dev. Yeah. Yeah, I was thinking on playing like here instead of just like not playing because I have higher stuff to do. But I could finish that earlier. I don't know. I am not sure I would finish that because I have to go out with my dad to solve something to him. But I am not sure I'm gonna be home like earlier. I don't know. I am not sure. So yeah, I think I'm gonna keep that offline. Because I could play Sonic Racing here, Sonic Race Crossworlds. Yeah, but you know what? I'm gonna keep this offline. Yeah, it's better. Yeah, 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 yeah. I'm gonna leave this offline. Yeah, it's better. And I might play a little bit about the Sonic game here. Because this is a grab bag, so I can play random games here. Random game, random games here. So Sunday is more like a free day. A day which I can do like random stuff. Yeah, stuff like that. Again, let me copy this color because I didn't copy that. I'm gonna paste here. I realize it's a bit different. Okay, that's amazing. So let me just copy this one. No, okay. You know what? I'm gonna leave it this like this. Yeah, yeah. It's better to just leave that offline. So let me hide this again. So I'm gonna export. Yeah, exported. Oops, I exported wrong. Yeah, because I'm used to export the same way as Photoshop, but here is a little bit different. And I like how you use here, like um, the flash. because Flash works like a gaming engine, you know. It's really the same as a gaming engine, you know. It's not that far away from a gaming engine perspective, you know. So yeah, this is the schedule. Okay, that's perfect. Okay, nice. And yeah, so now I'm gonna make my schedule from the last week, which I didn't do that properly. So I'm gonna do that right now. So let me save a new schedule here, and then we're gonna play Genshin. That's gonna be fast. So I'm gonna save this. So next week was uh, which week was that? Last week, 16 to 20. Okay, 16 to 22. Okay, it was 16 to 22. So I'm gonna save it. So I'm gonna put that back, and now I can just do my schedule like normally. So this was like that, that. So we played the Genshin, Genshin Impact, Need for Speed Most Wanted, and this. No internet like this, you know. Okay, so this was March 16 up to March 22. And I'm gonna keep EIS. You know what? I'm gonna keep EIS. Just for the sake of, uh, yeah. No, but the illustration didn't exist, right? So I can make it a little bit silly. Yeah. Let's make it a little bit silly like this. Yeah. Just like that, you know. Yeah. I'm retroactively. Yeah. Retroactively. Yeah. Actively. I don't know. I don't know. I can't English today. So yeah, I'm gonna publish that on my Discord, but about like this week, I'm gonna post that on X as well. Yeah, retroactively. Yeah. Retroactively. Retroactively. Ah. Okay, it's time to Genshin. You know, it's time. It's time to play Genshin. So yeah, I'm gonna close like everything here, and yeah, I'm not gonna post the schedule like right now, but right after the stream, you know, I'm gonna post the schedule. Also, I could edit like the schedule thing to add like PC98, you know. I should have done that. You know what? I'm gonna do that. Let me open like animate again. My total original animate, you know, animate because yeah, from university, I got my codes from university, you know, stuff like that. Yeah, you know, student stuff, you know. Yeah, retroactively. Oh, retroactively. Ah, yeah. It's not good. I mean, do you think people would understand me if I go like to another country and speak like that? You know? If you people understand me, I would be like totally fine, with that. Because as long as people understand me, that's okay. Yeah, let me just fix the text here. Oh, yeah. So if you guys are understanding me, and yeah. But I don't think I'm gonna speak that like that forever, I think I'm gonna learn at some point, PC 98 dev. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna do my PC 98 dev. My first PC 98 dev Sunday, you know? It's coming Sunday. Yeah. Please call me Sunday because it's gonna be awesome. Yeah. Okay, let me just export that and open Genshin. So they will probably understand you. So you might get funny looks. Yeah, that's a reality. You are not wrong. Yeah, that's a reality. Yeah, but I don't know how to make that better. I mean, I'm talking like every day to you guys and stuff like that. I don't know. I still getting stuff wrong. Oh yeah, for sure. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, let's update this schedule here to the new one. Nice. We have the complete schedule now. Yeah, it's kind of trippy, but I don't know, guys. I don't know. I like trippy stuff. I don't know. As long as people understand, I think it's fine. Yeah. And sometimes kind of ugly stuff kind gets attention. So it's good. It's good. It's all fine. Yeah, it's mainly just ignorant people. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna close everything now and open Genshin. Finally open Genshin. So yeah, if you guys wanted to join me, you guys can join me. Also, do you think I need to make a command like this for Genshin? I think I need, right? Yeah. Yeah, I don't have that set up, but I'm gonna do that. Yeah, this is my yeah, Discord I have. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, I'm gonna even pin that. Thank you. So yeah, on my Discord I talk about game dev stuff, I talk about drawing, stuff like that. So let's change the game to Genshin. You know what? I'm gonna keep just chatting, because we are just chatting today. Yeah, I'm gonna keep just chatting. I'm gonna even make like the Genshin screen like smaller. Yeah, I'm gonna read the chat soon. Let me just like open these things here. So yeah, there was a time I was chatting with a guy from Turkey and at an airport, and other Americans uh, around me asked me after I was done talking with him and getting ready for my flight. You could understand what he was saying? Oh, I was like, dude, dude, he was speaking English. What the heck do you mean? Yeah, yeah, you are right. Yeah, it's still English. Like, it's not perfect, I think, but I don't know. Even inside of the country, like uh, USA and even like in other places like Canada, uh, United Kingdom, Australia. I think all you like speak differently, and you all understand yourselves. So yeah, I don't think like speaking a little different it's that bad. But yeah, but I am trying to like speaking like the way you guys can understand me. I'm gonna still try to like improve, you know, my language, and yeah, there are different slang for stuff across the globe. Yeah, there's that as well. Yeah. So it's just like different, and that's fine. That's nothing wrong with that. But yeah, again, if I can be like better and more understandable, yeah, that's okay. So that's the idea. But if I can't, that's fine as well. you know? Yeah, I'm gonna still try to make like you know the best I can and to learn. So I realized like I was like watching my streams, my earlier streams, and comparing like to my streams now. I think I am better now. I don't know how much better I am now, but I feel like it. I feel like I'm doing better. Maybe just a little better, maybe just a tad better, but better nonetheless. Yeah. Also, my audio, my capture is better as well. I feel that. So I was like adjusting little by little, and I think my capture is better now as well. So everything is a little better. Everything is a little better. And I'm gonna invest in myself. I'm gonna buy better microphone. Yeah. And it's not terrible. Yeah, if you have the context, like when playing the game. Yeah, I told you like last stream when not last stream like when we were like playing like Need for Speed. I told you sometimes I feel like people like lots of people sometimes I think they are like NPCs. I don't know. They work like automatically, for some reason. I don't know that it's just strange sometimes. Not always, but sometimes it's just like strange. Yeah. So NPC can't think like properly. They just do like one thing. That's what NPCs does. Yeah, they can't think. They just like repeat. Also, where is Genshin? Okay, Genshin is here. Yeah, I'm gonna put myself here so you guys can see my UID. And again, today it's short. I'm gonna play mostly my dailies. Yeah, I remember. Yeah, it's like whatever. Yeah. It's scripted. Yeah, okay. It's scripted. It's the like perfect word. Scripted. Yeah. Sometimes it looks like it's scripted. Yeah, I don't know how to explain. It's just like different. You know. Yeah. And that's okay. That's fine. But I don't know. Yeah. Let me check my washing machine again.
What could the children be up to? Never mind. Let them do as they please.
Come take a look. There will definitely be something that catches your eye. Today's recommendation is the steak. Come take a look. There will definitely be something that catches your eye. Welcome. How can I help you? It's been getting quite busy recently.
I am back. Okay, stretch. I'm gonna stretch as well.
Come
And
take
I'm
a
gonna
look.
get something to
There
eat,
will definitely
because,
be
yeah.
something that catches your eye. Today's recommendation is the steak. How can I help you?
I got some. Thank you, Andy. Thank you. Yeah, Andy. You can see my UID there. So in any case, yeah. And also, again, just to make it clear, today it's gonna be short, but tomorrow, yeah, tomorrow we're gonna play more. So I'm gonna do like 5 minutes here in my timer,
It's been getting quite
because
busy recently.
it's a crucial part of
There will
my
definitely be
washing
something that
thing.
catches your eye.
So I need to go back like shortly there, you know. So yeah, let me check what we can do today. So I'm not gonna play this thing here for sure. At least not now. I wonder like how is this, like this thing here, this Miliasa thing here. Welcome in. Hi Andy. Ooh, who is this? Wow, who is this guy? Yeah, it looks nice. It's glowing. Wow, wait, what? Is this a skin?
Haven't you heard? There's a new
Oh,
monster
skin.
appeared.
Oh, that's amazing. Wow. So should I play that? I think I'm gonna play that. The mannequin thing, it looks nice. I like that. Ooh, that's fancy. Yeah, amazing. So let's check this. So I do this here and event. So there's event here. So I should play those kinds of things here. I wonder how is to develop a game from here, for this thing here. I wonder like how, you know? Yeah, it's changing all the time.
Come take a look. There will
Yeah, I don't know
definitely be
why,
something
but
that
it's
catches your
changing.
eye.
Yeah. So there's this thing 8 days ago. So I'm gonna play this tomorrow. This kind of tomorrow. That's the test run, which I haven't like finished it. I even forgot to get this. So yeah, I haven't played like with those
Staring
characters
into my
here
eyes is
yet.
ill-advised.
You know?
I can't
Yeah, it
promise
was
you'll like
changing.
what you
Hey,
see.
I have no idea. So there is also like get this thing here, the battle pass thing. So yeah, for now, I can just do like pretty basic stuff. Let me check. So I can do. Let's see. So there's reputation quest. We can do that, right? Yeah, Mitsu. Yeah, if you can join, and you know the drill. You know the drill. Yeah, you know the drill.
Come take a look.
As always.
There will definitely be something that catches your eye.
Wait, you teleported. What happened? This I don't know. This character of yours is
How can I
strange.
help you?
Did you teleport or something like that? Or it was like my internet? Little okay.
Haven't you
You
heard?
used to. Yeah, you're
There's
gonna
a
do it.
new
You used to.
monster
Yeah,
appeared.
yeah, yeah. Okay. Yeah, there's someone's. Oh, that makes sense. So let's accept Mitsu here, and I'm gonna do. Let me see this. What is this? I'm gonna check this. Just event, a new one. There is this thing here. Okay, fine. Let's check this. Thank you. And I'm gonna check my wash machine again. So yeah. So Mitsu, lead the way so we can go there. Yeah, you can lead the way as usual, you know. Or even Andy. Where is Andy? Oh, Andy is here. Okay, nice. So yeah, Mitsu. Oh, you got Barca. Barca is awesome as well.
Osmanthus wine
Yeah, I like
tastes the
him.
same as I remember. But where are those who
I
share
think not.
memory?
I probably not. But we can do like the tasks first, then I can try to chat and that kind of stuff, you know. So yeah, let's check. Where did Mitsu is? Mitsu. Okay, he's here. Here's Mondstadt. Okay. Okay, nice. So yeah, let me check my wash machine. Yeah, I think I can't talk like to anyone like where I am playing. Yeah, I can't. I can't. Yeah. So I can. Yeah, I can't. Okay, let me check my machine.
What could the children be up to? Never mind. Let them do as they please.
Okay, I don't need to check my washing machine again. Just like I need to check that, but I can do that after I finish my stream, you know. So yeah, we gonna do the dailies, and yeah. So I managed to pull Fleens, but his babe. Oh, I'm reading you guys. Oh, sorry. So yeah, yeah, the game feels heavy with like. Oh, look at that. So you got Columbina. Yeah, you got Columbina as well. Yeah, and you got everyone. Yeah, Columbina is nice, and she looks nice to play as well. So yeah, Arlecchino is my best character, like right now, you know, by far.
All tasks have been handled. How relaxing. As I gaze out upon.
So let's talk to this lady here. So tell me a little about yourself. I'm gonna skip the text. You know what? I can just like do like this, right? How about it? Do the work you can. Okay. Oh, okay. The reputation. Okay, nice. So what? Yes. Yeah, I think I can't do that. So did you do the quest to unlock this? I don't know. I think not. How do I check that? Let me just like wait. Yeah. Yeah, I think not. Yeah. Where's the quest? Yeah, I did not, I think. So that the good idea like is doing like prerequisites, you know? I need to do that. No? But I think I can't do that in like co-op mode, you know. I can do this once, you know. Let's try that. At least these like daily ones, I think we can, right? And I think I already did this one. I think so. Hi, Morvi. Hi, hi. Welcome in, welcome in. Hi, hi. How's you doing? Yeah, you got you shout out, you know. Hi, how's your day? How's you been? Hi, hi. Yeah, let's do this. So I am doing my daily, you know. Today's a shorter stream because I am like I'm even using like here just chatting, you know. I'm gonna even make my window smaller. This. Oh, a lot done with work. Yeah, this is good because yeah, it was like me like earlier today, you know. Oh, I'm glad you're here. Oh, I'm glad. Um, yeah, I saw like it was nice, like you playing with the guys, you know. That was like awesome. Yeah, playing with friends is always fun, you know. And we are doing that like right now. They are like look at these people in my background. This is Mitsu and Andy, you know. They are just like that, you know. And yeah, thank you. Thanks for being here. Also, I think I need. What's your favorite character, by the way? Because I think I need to have, you know, using Anemo or Hydro to clean the deck. Um, yeah, I have Anemo, but where should I clean the deck? Where is it? It's there. Kazuha. Okay. You know what? Yeah, because I have this for
Defensive mode engaged.
for sweet, you know. I have this.
This is no place to linger on a foggy night. Allow me to escort you out.
And yeah, I think I should have something to you for you, you know. So it's Kazuha. Okay, let's go. Yeah, please is beautiful. So yeah, I'm gonna find some clip and put that for you, you know. So next time we're gonna do like sometime you're gonna see something like special, you know.
Windblade.
So next time. Wait, what do I need to do here? By the way, I think I'm lost. I need to talk to the guys again. Oh, you did it. Okay, that's fine. No, that's fine. That's completely fine. As long as I get the mission complete. Wait, is Kazuha your husband? Do you have him here? Where is Andy? Where's Andy? No, that's fine. That's fine. If you do that, that's fine. So let's go to the next location. Yeah, this is the next one. Yeah, where is Andy? Andy, where are you? Oh, he's here. Where's Kazuha? Kazuha. It's this one? Oh, wait. Oh yeah, this one, the movements. Yeah. Remember Mitsu? I said that about the movements? Yeah, crazy movements. I like that. Yeah, this is amazing.
Over here. Boof. Over here. Blink.
Yeah. It's nice. So yeah, Kazuha. So do you have like any funny video about him? Because I could use, you know, like any video. If you suggest one to me, you know, you can use that. Also, so if you want to join like my Discord, by the way, so you can talk there if you need something. So yeah, more Sweet and Itsu were like discussing today there, you know.
Blink.
Yeah. I'm gonna push this here like for 20 minutes, you know. So let's just do my dailies here. So I need to make this challenge. Yeah, guys, feel free. You can just like destroy, you know, the way you like it. From your heart's
Prepare to be
contents, you
blown
know.
away.
Let's go. Look at this. Yeah, that's beautiful. I love it. So yeah, again, nice to have you here, Murph. And anything, you know, anything, anytime, just let me know, you know. Yeah. If you need anything, any help with like VTubing, like the chat thing and anything, like anything really. And if it's something could help, I would, you know. So yeah, I am here just to have fun, to make good friends, you know. And that's fine. That's about it, you know. It's the best. Hi, Soko. Hi, hi. It's nice to have you here. Hi, hi. Yeah, we are playing some Genshin. Again, today a little shorter, you know. I didn't even change like. Oops, sorry. Okay, that was done already. Okay, that's fine. How's you doing? And yeah, I think I should have something for you as well because you know, Soko. I don't know. So let's go to the next one. So yeah, Soko. So do you want to have a video here? Like when you like join my channel, it would be nice. I have something to show you. Uh, this one.
I have multiple personality disorder.
Damn. Any of them freaky?
I don't really know that you could dance like this.
Affirmative. Shadow is infected with the brain rot.
Yeah, this is the brain rot, you know. You guys already made. Thank you guys.
This is no place to linger on a foggy night. Allow me to escort you out.
Yeah, this is amazing. What is this? Can we do this? What is this? What is this thing here? Yeah, let me check this. So yeah, there's more commands. So there's. You guys can play around, you know. You guys can expand the commands. Wait, all of the commissions are done today? Okay, thank you. Yeah, I think for that I'm gonna leave the multiplayer, you know. But you know, if you want to do like some papers, we can do some papers now. No, we can pay a little bit more. Let me check. Let me check. Yeah, we can play a little bit more. We can get some papers. Let's get some papers. Yeah, this one is amazing. Like, this one is nice.
I don't want you, I want money. I don't need you, I want money.
Yeah, it's the same. If it's playing, it's not gonna play again. So you can play that now. After like the video finishes, you can just play that, you know. So yeah, let me go on. Let me just left the. I think you guys need to. Yeah, I'm thinking like after explosion to make my screen like completely white for a little while, you know? What do you guys think? I'm thinking of stuff of doing, you know?
Ad Astra Abbott.
If you guys have any
Thank
ideas
you for
like of like commands and stuff like that, you know? Like readings, I need to do my readings to make my readings, you know? I have never finished that, like the code for the readings.
This is no place to linger on a foggy night.
Yeah.
Allow me to escort you out.
Yeah, let me check the papers. Yeah, let me check the papers. So this one is let me check this. Let me check from yeah, I still need it because yeah, I need to extend here, I think. And I need to gain like one more level. Let me check this. Yeah, I don't have this. And let me check. Catching would be good as well. Yeah, catching would be good. You know what? Yeah. But I'm closer to this one. What about catching? Let's just like do this one. Let's do this one. Yeah. Let's do the catching one. So yeah. You guys can join me. I think you both did. Let me check this. Yeah, Mitsu and Andy. I wonder if you both are here. Okay, Andy's here. Okay, nice. Okay, you both are here. So we need to go to the boss. Wait. Yeah, let's do the boss thing. So I can get the catching one. Where are you guys? Oh, okay, I can see that. Yeah, let's do this. Let's go. Why it's targeting me?
Whirling snow. Break the ice. Take flight.
Wait, who is Junior? So I can claim this one. Nice. So let me check. How many do we need? So I'm gonna get this. And let me check this. Let me have a second.
Staring into my eyes is
Okay, I need
ill-advised.
2 more of
I can't
those.
promise you'll like what
So
you
I think
see.
I can just stay here, right? Yeah, you just need to stay here. And beat this boss like 2 times. Yeah, look at those numbers, like, it's insane, you know? Yeah, I need to know if the person is on stream. Are just juniors just like watching me? Who are you? So yeah, I need 2 more. Or 1 more. 1 more now. Yeah. If it's the person is like chatting with you and stuff like that, I am fine, you know? But if it's not, like, I don't know.
Go on,
Ow, that hurt.
lay bare.
Okay, that's good. Is it? No, that's good. Why can't I do damage? Oh, it's that. Yeah, I can do damage. I might need this one. Oh, yeah. Okay, with it. So now I need something else. Let me check this. I need this thing here. So I can get from those guys here. Okay, let's go there. Oh, it's close to here. Okay, nice. Yeah, we can go there. I think 1 more is like sufficient? Where is it? Oh, it's here.
Transfixed.
Windblade.
On me.
Nice. I think I got it. Let me check. Yeah, I can ascend now. Okay, nice. And I need I need this, right? 55. And I don't have anything else. And I can do this thing here. I can claim this. And yeah, I need to make her like 60. Now it's time to get some papers to level like catching up, you know? So yeah, it's time to get some papers. So yeah, any suggestions I am accepting, you know? So lead the way and we can get some
I
papers.
used to be so
To
naive.
level up
I
catching
genuine.
5 levels more, you know?
Having said that,
So yeah, this is the mission for
I feel
today.
I find myself
This
getting a
is
second
your
since
mission and my
Rexrock,
mission,
we've
you know?
the time.
If you guys accept that. Where are you? Oh, okay. Let me go there. So where are you guys? Okay, you guys there. Okay, nice. Okay. So yeah, after this one, we can just like fly away. Huh? Okay, nice. So what is it? Oh, it's up there. Okay. But did you guys see what I needed? Oh, it's this one. Okay. Hey, I have a wing as well. I have a wing. Nice. Okay. Let me check if I can do like anything with this already. So it's this one. I can use this. Level up. Yeah, 56. Okay. So we need 4 more levels. So yeah. What's the next location? You guys guide me. Look at that. I don't know. It's really funny. So I need to drop first, and then I can attack. Okay. Nice. Ow, ow. I got lots of items now. And there's a lot on the ground. In the ground. Okay, nice. So yeah, I think we need more, right? We need more. Yeah, lead the way. We can go to the next location. Yeah, his movements are amazing. I like that character, you know? I like that.
There's no
Yeah,
end
let's
to
go.
this.
Laid bare.
Wait.
Nice.
Enhanced animal marker. Bow before your king.
Nice.
Your soul. Sacrifice. Scared, speechless. Forever hold your peace.
Did I get it? I get it. I got it. Okay, nice. So let me check once more. Yeah, I think we need more. I think we need. Oops. 58. 2 more levels to go. 22 does it better. But she's off brain. Yeah. So yeah, what is the next one? Over there? Okay, nice. I also realized I have a skin from the for the traveler. I have a skin for that. You know? But I need to make like some quests, you know? Nice. This is wild. This is crazy. So yeah, we need more. So yeah, what is the next one? What is this? Oh, nice. I can claim this. Nice. So yeah, what is the next location? Oh, okay, it's there. It's here? No, it's not. Where is it? It looks close. I'm gonna keep this way. And I'm dying for some reason.
Time for takeoff. Brace yourself. Animal test 6308.
Yeah, I'm here just to farm aura, you know? Oh, I can use... what I can use here? Yeah, I can use this one, right? I forgot about that.
What could the children be up to? Never mind. Let them do as they please.
I can use one of those, right? It's okay. Once in a while, it's okay. Yeah. So I need to use my ultimate, you know? Oh, yeah. I remember that. It's just like a little annoying to play, you know?
Wouldn't gliding be...
But that's fine. So, yeah, let me check this. Okay, max level. Okay, perfect. Okay, she's 60. 80.
Let's play.
66. Okay. I need a 7 now. But tomorrow, not today. Yeah, you just reminded me that of that, yeah. Yeah, because it's fire, you know. Then I can use this.
This is where...
In yeah. Full health again. Yeah. So yeah, guys, this is it for today. And tomorrow we are gonna play Genshin. But again, the idea is to make like some like world quests, right? The ones we can do like multiplayer, you know? That's gonna be fun. Oh, I wish I had fun. Look at this. Yeah, she's amazing. Yeah, that's it for today. And again, tomorrow we are gonna play like more Genshin, okay? So yeah, I think I'm gonna raid Saber. Let me check that. I think I'm gonna raid Saber. Yeah, it's been a while, right? It's been a while. I would like to raid like someone else, but she was
Be cleansed.
offline, I think. No, oh, you know what? I'm gonna raid Saber like Friday. Friday's a retro day, right? Yeah, yeah, that's a good idea.
Without further ado.
Oh, Jade is streaming. We can raid Jade. Yeah, but you know what? Let's raid Saber. You know what? I feel like it. Let's raid Saber. So yeah, thank you guys for playing with me. You guys are the best, you know? Like help with my dailies, like help. I always doing like some mistake, you know? And you guys help me. You guys are the best. And is that also yeah, I don't know. I don't know Zibai
Be silent.
that much, you know?
Close your eyes.
Yeah, let's raid. Please copy the raid message. Hope you guys liked the stream today. I'm sorry if it's a little bit shorter, you know?
Without further ado.
But yeah, let's start the raid.
Observe.
Yeah, I don't know why my Twitch does not show me like the button to press to go to the next stream, you know? Yeah. Yeah, again, I'm gonna post the schedule. Thank you Nook, thank you Mitsu, thank you and thank you um um Soko, thank you Merv. You guys are always welcome.
Close your eyes.
Also, thank you to Yaoichi. She made like my day today. You know, I love the drawing she made of me. It's really nice.
Observe.
And please follow Yaoichi. You know, and yeah, I see you guys in the next flight. Bye bye.